But let's get in our guest then. We have Samit Chauhan of Angel Broking who joins, and also Manav Chopra of Monarch Network Capital who joins us on the phone line. Samit, let's come across to you first. In terms of the Nifty, is there a trade over there which is moving lower? You know, every hour we are seeing that the Nifty is just moving lower. Would you sell the Nifty currently, or do you think maybe around 330 points is what we have corrected since last Monday morning?
See, Nigel, Nifty was moving within a narrow channel since last few weeks. Higher end of this channel was somewhere around 8300, 8350. Nifty precisely registered around its higher end and has now corrected in last 6 trading session more than 300 points. So after falling more than 300 points in 6 trading sessions, and more importantly, it is now reaching its lower end of the channel, which is placed somewhere around 8,7970. Hence, it would be very difficult to give a sell call at current level. Probably from 8,000 to 7,970, Nifty might take some kind of support and might give a decent recovery probably towards 8050 or 8100, 8150. It's not advisable to sell at current level. We would rather wait for a bounce or else wait for a breakdown to happen below 7950. In that case, yes, this down move can extend towards 7800, 7850. So as of now, it's not advisable to short sell Nifty at current level.
Just hold on to that thought, Samit. We're getting Pantaloon Fashions numbers not looking very flattering at all. It's less than a 5% gain in terms of total income, and the losses are just about static. They haven't narrowed at all. So not much to say about Pantaloon Fashions at this point in time. The stock is very, very static. Downbeat actually. It's been around that 200 mark, 212 mark for a better part of the morning, and the results have not done anything to alter that negative sentiment. It's a completely unreadable fact, so I will not try and outguess. Just go by what the ticker team has bravely managed to calculate. Probably they've put it under a lens. Actually, I can only see the income number, and then straight away the paid up equity. Nothing in between is visible in this facts. So I'll just leave it to the ticker team to probably call the company and get some more legible data about the company. Samit, to come back to you, let me go through your strategies. Shriram Transport, you have a strategy.
Yes, looking at the overall daily chart structure, it appears that 900, 910 is acting as a strong support for Shriram Transport. In last couple of days, it has given a decent recovery from its lows. And if we look at the intraday chart certainly looks quite positive. So at current level, it can be bought by keeping a small stop loss somewhere around 918. And in next few trading sessions, this stock has a potential to move towards 980, 1000. Hence, from current level to any minor dip, it can be bought by keeping a stop loss of 918.
All right, Manav, let's come across to you. You're being brave. You're buying Tech Mahindra ahead of its numbers.
Yes, actually, the stock has been an outperformer in the market. The kind of decline that we've seen into the index, the stock has managed to hold on to its support of 540 since past few trading sessions. And we have also observed that the stock is kind of consolidating near its long-term averages and forming a good base. The volumes are indicating that there are some smart buying action happening at the lower levels, which further validates the support and so at the current levels, I think if as long as 540 holds, the stock is likely to move on the upside. So we recommend a buy with a stop loss of 537. We expect an upside target of 580 in next few trading sessions.
Okay. You also have a buy on Zee Entertainment. You think it has finished its correction? It will start an up move for some time?
Absolutely. In fact, we've seen that the stock has been on a very good uptrend, and whenever the stock has declined by 7 to 8% from its recent peak and the oscillators have entered into the oversold zone, the stock has seen a good rally and forming a new higher high formation. So So at the current levels, 405 is the good support where the stock has actually rebounded from its intraday lows, which also coincides with its long-term averages. So at the current levels, I think 400 would be a good support and the stop loss for the stock in the near term. And we do expect an upside target of 435 to 440 to be achieved by next week.
All right, then those are the buy calls that we got. Let's get in some sell calls. Then Samit, let's come across to you. You're looking to sell Tata Chemicals?
Yes, Nigel. Tata Chemical, if you look at the medium-term trend, it is clearly down. The stock is facing a strong resistance around 415, 420. After consolidating for nearly 2 weeks around this major resistance zone, the stock gave a breakdown from its near-term support of 410, 409 on a closing basis on Friday. Looking at the overall moving averages placement and the RSI smoothened, which has already given a negative crossover. We expect this stock to slide below 390. 388 is our target, and stop loss can be kept around 424.
Okay. Samit, sorry.
So Samit, you're also looking to sell Siemens?
Yes, this stock gave a smart recovery from its recent close of 1150, 1140. However, around 1380 to 1400, there's a cluster of resistances. There are various Fibonacci ratios that are coinciding around 1380, 1400. Stock consolidated for nearly 3 to 4 weeks around its strong resistance zone, and today it has given a breakdown from its near-term support of 1320, 1315. The chart structure certainly looks quite negative. It can be shorted on a minor dip, probably towards 1310, 1320. We have a target of 1240, 1230 over the next few trading sessions.
Okay, and very quickly, Manav, HDIL?
This stock actually has breached its rising trend line drawn from its recent lows, which has confirmed the formation at the current highs, which is indicating that 72 is a good short-term high in place. So 73.50 would be the stop loss, and we expect lower targets of 67.
All right, gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us very quickly with those 6 trading strategies. We'll take a break on that note. Just want to pull up Bank of India. They've cut their deposit rate.